Okay, it says 1.5 cups of the starter dough. So, yeah, that looks good. Let's just go right in with that. Yeah, it smells very, very ripe. That's a cup so far. Let's hope I can actually get 1.5 cups out of here. And you only need a little bit of starter in here to activate for some more. So it's all good. And this was the no waste method anyway. And I didn't waste. I did not waste. Not one bit. So that is good. Pull this back up. So here's my 1 3/4 cups of water. I didn't put it all in there. But then I'm gonna add the starter. Then I'll add the rest of the water. I figured I'd pour some of the starter in here to get any of the remainder out. I don't want to waste a drop as long as it took me to make this starter. Oh, waste not, want not. Okay, that looks good. We're going to stir this on through. I'm supposed to put another tablespoon of water in here. So let me get that tablespoon of water so I can add to this mixture a tablespoon. Looks good. Okay, 3 cups of the King Arthur. 1 cup. Two cups. Three cups. 3 cups of the flour. Then I need 1 3/4 of a teaspoon of the salt. So here's 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. And then we need 3/4. So I'm going to do a 1/2 teaspoon. And that quarter to give me 3/4 of the salt. I don't have granulated sugar, but I do have Truvia. So we're going to go for it. And the salt that I used was Himalaya sea salt. And now it's time to mix. I am going to invest in a mixer. I had one and I gave it away because I never used it. But, you know, different seasons in your life, you do different things. So the next time I get one, I definitely won't be giving it away again. Also, this bread mixer thing is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it already has it like a dough. You definitely got to put in your elbow grease. I'm not gonna lie to you about that. But the one thing I know for sure is, in the event that there is no bread in the stores, I'm gonna make sure I keep flour on deck, and I'm able to make my own bread. And I'm willing to barter. I'm definitely always down to barter in the event that I had to. Because bread is just one of those staples that, nowadays we've become so reliant on the stores, but you don't even know what they're putting in the bread. They tell you their ingredients, only the ingredients that the FDA sanctions them to say. There's other things going on in there that you would never know, including the things that go on in some of these factories. But, you can keep believing in Trader Joe's. Yeah. But trust me, in the event you need to, you got me. And a whole community out here of people who are into baking. And it's a pure artistry. This is something that you have to want to learn how to do or want to do. And even if it's just something to try, this is my first time, but I'm not going to, even if it doesn't turn out good, it won't make me stop. I'm relentless with that. Like I'll keep at something. Because just because you may not do good the first time doesn't mean that the second time it won't be better. Most bread makers say that your first one is really not a good one. So I don't know. We'll see. We will see. But I think I'm kind of done with mixing. What you think? Maybe I'll let it sit to the side and let it rise now. So I think it's pretty incorporated. Okay, I'll let this ferment up for 1.5 to 2 hours, and we'll be back to see if it's going to rise, and then we'll do our next steps.